What's going on? Welcome to this vinyl decal, quarter panel decal installation video. I get asked about this particular decal quite a bit. This is just a regular vinyl decal. I got it from Premium Auto Styling, which is a website where you can get a lot of stuff. This is not a sponsored video. I installed this decal that you see right here 11 months ago. And when I got it, I actually recorded the installation just in case I wanted to use it someday, and the time has come. So this has held up like this for 11 months. If you install it correctly, like I'm gonna show you, and you take the proper precautions when you're cleaning your car, it's gonna last you a very, very long time. And like you see right here, mine still looks perfect. It still looks like the day that I installed it. So I'm gonna put in the video description links to this particular decal and other information and stuff that you see me using in the video as well. Okay, so this is what you can expect when you get this decal, or any other decal for that matter. When you peel this wax paper backing off, you can see the portion of the decal that will go directly on the window or whatever the mounting location is. The first step, as you can probably guess, is just to thoroughly clean and dry your window. Anytime you install any sort of decal or trim that uses 3M tape, the install will only be as good as the preparation. Once you identify the proper decal for this side that you're working on, set it aside for a second and spray the entire install surface with water mixed with a little bit of dish soap. This is known as a wet install, and as you'll see, wet installations like this are just way more forgiving than attempting to do this without water. While the window is still wet like this, peel off the wax paper from the window decal, and you're gonna place the sticky side right on the window. Don't apply too much pressure at this point, so you can move it around and center it properly first. When you're happy with placement, you can start pushing down a little harder with your fingers to get the water out from under the decal. If you have one of these tools, which I'll link in the video description, now's a great time to use it. Make sure that you're always pushing from the center out. When you're satisfied, grab a corner and very slowly and carefully pull the top wax paper off like this. If a part of the decal comes off, which happens a lot, just carefully pull it from the wax paper and put it back on the window. Because we use soapy water, we can easily do that and move them around as needed. It also allows us to remove imperfections like these wrinkly areas right here. I found it easy just to grab a soft cloth and work the decal by hand like this. That ensures that I don't push too hard and crease a part of it. This particular design is called distress flag. So the stripes have small cutouts that may not come off properly when you peel the wax paper off. Again, you can pull the offending piece off the glass to easily take off the parts of the vinyl that are not part of the final design, and then reposition the piece back on the glass. This is what I meant by a wet installation being more forgiving. After a few more careful passes with the cloth, when all of the wrinkles have been worked out, you will be done. One last thing I want to mention is that the decal is on the outside, so if you scrub it when you're washing your car, you're gonna wear out and start peeling off the edges. It's best to simply dab it like this to prevent that and ensure this thing lasts years. So thanks a lot for stopping by. I hope that you got something out of this video, and if you decide to get this decal or any other, that you know exactly how to install it, and that you actually, just make the car a little bit more your own. So if you appreciate the video, make sure to give it a like and consider subscribing for more content like this. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you next video. Take care.